Yeah, hi. This is Mohit. My name is Mohit. I have done BTech in chemical engineering. I'm 22 pass out. My CGPA is 7.5, and I got placed in Iris Software Solution at a package of 3.6 LPA. And I'd like to dedicate these things to Jspider because the total guidance is I got from Jspider faculty. I especially like to dedicate this to DevOps, that is Sharik sir, for continuous support, continuous motivation. Because he is the person who's motivated me to go and go for Chennai and attend this interview. So I really think without him it is not at all possible. And also every faculty of the Jspider is very good at its skill set and knowledge. So they know how to deliver the things in a good way, in a fruitful way, so that students can adopt this. So definitely the training which is provided by Jspider is up to the marks, and definitely once again I like to thanks to everyone for